Hello, my name is Jeff and I'm the owner of DIY Cornice Kits. Today we're going to measure this window to install a Cornice kit above it. There are several things you need to consider when measuring your cornice, such as this one has the original topper that came with the blinds. Also, you may have curtain rods or your blinds might be outside mounted, which means they're not recessed flush like this one is. When you measure your cornice, you want to add 1 inch minimum per side. That way you have enough clearance for the brackets. You can adjust it left and right. So let's go ahead and measure it. 1 inch on the left, 1 inch on the right. So the measurement of this window, the widest item on the window is 64 inches. So I'm going to go on DIYcornicekits.com and order the cornice width that I want, which is 64 inches. It's that easy. Measure the window plus 1 inch on both sides minimum for clearance. You could do more. It's all based on personal preference. Thank you.